In this video, we reveal 25 jobs that could soon vanish forever as artificial intelligence reshapes the workforce with shocking speed. The rise of artificial intelligence isn't just a revolution, it's a silent takeover, and it's happening faster than anyone imagined. These are jobs that many of us thought were irreplaceable, now at the brink of extinction. Stay with me, because the last few will leave you stunned. We will also share the alternatives to stay up to date with AI to reshape your career. Let's start with what we see every day. Cashiers, replaced by self-checkouts and automated payment systems. Telemarketers, AI chatbots now handle marketing faster and cheaper. Bank tellers, mobile apps and ATMs are cutting costs and cutting jobs, but this is just the beginning. AI isn't stopping at routine tasks. It's entering high-skill professions. Do you think your degree guarantees your job safety? Think again. Software developers and IT professionals. The ground is shifting beneath the tech industry. AI-powered tools like automated code generators, low-code and no-code platforms, advanced debugging systems, and infrastructure as code are rapidly transforming the landscape. Routine coding tasks, bug fixing, and even key elements of app and website development are being handed over to machines. Faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. The result? A looming threat to entry-level roles and repetitive coding jobs as AI takes over at an unprecedented pace. Next, radiologists. AI scans X-rays with 95% accuracy, often faster and cheaper than doctors. Journalists. AI now writes news articles in seconds, threatening writers everywhere. Financial analysts. AI models analyze trends and make decisions faster than human minds. High-paying, prestigious jobs no longer untouchable. It doesn't stop there. AI is even transforming jobs you wouldn't imagine. Farmers. Drones and robots now plant, water, and harvest with precision. Delivery drivers. Autonomous vehicles are delivering groceries right to your door. Photographers. AI edits photos with perfect lighting and filters in seconds. And here's where it gets truly shocking. Paralegals. Legal AI drafts, contracts, and performs research in minutes. Accountants. AI now files taxes and balances books faster than any human. Teachers. AI personalizes lessons, grades assignments, and even gives feedback. Even stock traders, masters of the market, are losing to high-frequency AI trading systems that never sleep. Is this the end of human jobs? Not quite. While AI is taking over tasks, it's also creating opportunities, but only for those who adapt. The question is, will you evolve or be left behind? This isn't a warning. It's a wake-up call. The jobs we've listed today might be gone, but new roles are waiting for those ready to reskill, upskill, and take on the future. Don't fear the change. Embrace it. We bring you the latest videos on AI revolution, even before it is released to the public. Subscribe now to stay ahead with the latest AI breakthroughs. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already here. AI is changing everything. For advanced training and personalized career mentoring, please visit aicareerguru.com.